Hi guys, welcome back to my Tap in Love channel. Today we are on our 6th video in the beginning tap tutorial series, and we are going to be learning a step called the shuffle hop step, or the Irish. The Irish is a much used step in tap, and it's also a lot of fun. Today we're going to learn the Irish staying in place, going forwards and backwards. So make sure to stay until the end of the video and learn all directions. And as always, at the very end, we're going to put it to music so that you can practice. Let's learn the Irish. Super quick note before we get started. I am actually in different clothing now than I am at the beginning and the end of this video because I'm actually shooting the middle of this video on a different day. I had some technical problems when I started filming this video, so this is a few days later. Now that being said, let's do the shuffle hop step, or the Irish. We're gonna start today by doing the Irish in place. The Irish consist of 3 different steps: a shuffle, a hop, and a step. Take a look. Shuffle, hop, step. So you've already learned all of those steps previously, and now we're just putting them together. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. Let's try it on the other foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. And to the side, a little bit faster this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. And on the other foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. Now we're going to learn how to move it. We're going to go both forwards and backwards with the shuffle hop step. So let's move to the back of our board. Now we're going to move the Irish forward by doing it a little bit differently than the one that we just did while we were standing in place. In that one, the shuffle went directly to the front. Shuffle, hop, step. In this one, we're going to move the shuffle out, not exactly to the side, but kind of to the corner. So rather than shuffle here, you will be shuffling here. Keep in mind, you do not want to do your shuffle like this, where you're pulling your foot back. The shuffle comes from your thigh. Shuffle, an up and down movement. Shuffle. Same thing to the side. Shuffle, shuffle. After we do our shuffle to the corner, shuffle, we're going to do our hop, and then we're going to step forward in front of the other foot. Then we're going to go to the other side. Shuffle to the corner, hop, and step forward in front of the other foot. So let's try that together. We're going to do 4 in a row. So let's back up. We're going to start with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Perfect. Now we are going to go backwards. So we're just going to reverse it. We're still going to shuffle to that corner, starting with the right foot. Shuffle, we hop, and then we step directly behind the other foot. So let's try 4 Irishes going backwards, starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. So let's put it all together a little bit faster. 4 going forward, 4 going back. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, back. Shuffle, hop, back. Shuffle, hop, back. Shuffle, hop, step. As you see, my heels went down a little bit during that last one, going backwards. It's okay. We're going slow right now, and it's harder to keep those heels off the floor, so be easier on yourself. We have been doing the Irish, or the shuffle hop step, in a very steady rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now we're going to change up the rhythm just a little bit. The rhythm will be and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Feel the difference? So one of the great things about tap dancing is that you can take a simple step like the Irish and you can vary it a little bit. You can put it to different styles of music, different rhythms of music. That being said, we are now going to learn a combination that we're going to put to music in just a few minutes. We're going to start out the combination on our left foot. We are going to do 4 Irishes going forward with the rhythm, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try that. Left foot. A 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great. The weight is now on your right foot, so your left foot is ready to go. We're going to do 3 Irishes going back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. We're going to stop there. And then we're going to step on our right foot and step on our left foot. Now we are ready to go forward on our right foot. 4 Irishes. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 3 Irishes going back and a step, starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, step. Okay, let's keep going. So now we're going to start with the left foot. We're going to go to the side, and we're going to do that by doing a dig, toe drop, step. One more time. Dig, toe drop, step. Then you're going to step on the left foot and let your heel drop. We're going to now do it going back the other way. Dig, toe drop, step, dig, toe drop, step, heel drop. It's going to go a little bit faster than that. So why don't we do the whole thing so far and add that part in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step. And back. Step. And back. Step. Dig. Step, heel, dig. Step, heel. Okay, let's finish this up. The left foot is ready to go. We are going to do 2 Irishes front, 2 Irishes back. 2 Irishes front, 1 Irish back, and then I'll show you what to do from there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 back. 2 forward. 1 back. Now here, our right foot is ready. We're going to end it with step, heel drop. Okay guys, let's do the whole thing once together without music, and then we'll try it with music. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 forward. 3 back. Step. 4 forward. 3 back. Step. Dig. Step, heel, dig. Step, heel. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 forward, 1 back, step, heel. Great, let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I see a sky with a reindeer covered in I see a plane rolling on too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, a honking tree. You look so beautiful, and our day is changing.
Awesome job with the Irish, guys. Now that we're halfway through the beginning tap tutorial series, I want to hear from you. How's it going? Are you struggling with certain steps? Are you wanting to move on? Let me know in the comments below. We still have 6 more steps to tackle in the beginning tap tutorial series, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you're alerted every time a new video in this series is uploaded. And in the meantime, give this channel a little love by giving this video a thumbs up and by sharing it with your friends. I would so appreciate it. Okay guys, see you in the next video.